Playing FIFA Mobile on laptop PC is very easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser and then search here for FIFA Mobile PC download free. Now, you can see that the window will open and here you have first link that is BlueStacks. You have to click on this link and then you can see that the next window will look like this. You can see that there are many options on the upper side, that is features, games, blog and support. Here you can see that FIFA Football. Play on PC with BlueStacks, the Android gaming platform, trusted by 500 million plus gamers. Here you have an option of play FIFA Football on PC. Next, just click on this button and you can see that it starts downloading. Make sure you have good internet connection. Here you can see that it's downloaded here. After this, you just have to double click on this and you have to give permission to use in the computer. And here you can see that Install Now button here. Next, you just have to click on Install Now button and you can see that it starts downloading. It may take some time to install the game, so make sure you have good internet connection for this, otherwise it might be stopped downloading. So, after it is downloaded,